The weBoost Drive 4G-X Fleet Cell Signal Booster is a new product specifically designed for fleet vehicles like police cars, government or commercial vehicles, delivery trucks, construction vehicles, or whatever your fleet might look like. The Drive 4G-X Fleet is a powerful cellular signal booster, which boosts voice and data up to 32 times, allowing your vehicle operators to stay connected wherever they might be on the road. The Drive 4G-X Fleet boosts any carrier, giving your staff the signal strength they need to communicate and stay connected with others on your team no matter their cellular provider. The 4G-X Fleet Booster works by securely mounting the NMO antenna onto the vehicle, which captures signal from the nearest cell tower. That signal is sent through a 14-foot cable with an optional 6-foot extension cable to our 4G-X booster, which amplifies the signal up to 32 times. Then, our in-vehicle antenna broadcasts the now stronger signal inside your vehicle, giving you faster data and voice speeds. This product is designed to be professionally installed, leaving your vehicle clean and clutter-free. Improved cell signal in your fleet vehicles with the Drive 4G-X Fleet will leave communication with your team free of dropped calls and slow data speeds. Whether it's a police officer getting faster notifications to respond to an incident, or a fleet of maintenance trucks being able to provide better customer service while in the field. This saves you time and allows your fleet to do their job more effectively. So make sure your fleet is suited up with the easiest and most reliable way to stay connected no matter where your work may take you with the Drive 4G-X Fleet.